So couples that would have a desire to come to Rocky Creek to work on their marriage, I think what they're going to really experience is the home that we just completed, I think has been really designed for ministry. I think our heart for marriage ministry is they really experience not only the time to spend together, but also focusing on their relationship with the Lord. Because we know if the relationship with Christ is focused and positive, then that makes marriage a whole lot easier. Part of our vision is sending couples out to locations that we've already planned for them to go to, and spend some time answering questions that we're in discussion with, or maybe it's a time that they've, what I call writing a letter to God, and ask them, when's the last time you've sit down and actually wrote a letter to the Lord?
So there's a place like the garden, and there is a deck that overlooks the creek, and so there'd be a place that would be very conducive to being able to have a conversation and to write a letter to God. So we have lots of different places for people to go and be refreshed and renewed.
Right. So what would we say to that person that's watching, or that couple that's watching and going like, do we want to do something like this? What are we going to get out of it? What would you say?
I would say they have an opportunity to experience getting uninterrupted time with each other, and a time for us to work with them, to guide them maybe through some specific things. Maybe it's communication, and give them some tools to put in their tool belt, so when they leave, they have more tools in their tool belt than when they first arrived.
What I love about a lot of stuff that we teach, we say it's not just a marriage tool, it's a relationship tool.
Yes.
So regardless of the relationship they're in, there are some things that can help them in that.
And it would be our desire that when someone leaves, that they will have known that they have encountered God in a way that they have not before, and that they'll have an opportunity to continue a deeper walk with God because of that, and that their relationships will be deeper and they'll be richer because of that time that they've spent here.
Amen. Couldn't have said it better myself.